Welcome home. This charming and beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home offers over 1,500 square feet of modern comfort designed for real life. From the moment you step inside, the open layout welcomes you with a cozy fireplace, stylish LVP flooring, and elegant tray ceilings that add just the right touch of luxury. The heart of the home is the kitchen, bright, spacious, and perfect for gatherings. Enjoy stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a generous island with breakfast bar, and a walk-in pantry big enough for every snack and family favorite. Each bedroom offers room to relax and recharge, especially the private primary suite with its double vanity, shower, and walk-in closet ready for all your cozy comforts and weekend outfits. Need extra space? The oversized garage has you covered with bonus storage, shelving, and even a refrigerator and freezer. Make everyday living that much easier. Step outside to your covered patio where evenings are meant to be enjoyed and a backyard that stretches beyond the fenced area, offering plenty of room to play, explore, and dream. This home is ready for its next chapter. Call Patty Suter. She'd love to help you see how perfectly it fits into yours.